Today is going to be a really good unboxing because today we have flavors on deck, so make sure you watch until the end. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today we are going to be doing yet another Hat Club unboxing. As you can see, I got two boxes here, but don't be fooled. Just because I only have two boxes doesn't mean I'm not bringing the heat. I don't want to waste too much time, but I do want to tell y'all to check out the other content on the channel. I upload multiple videos a week, and that means brand new streetwear and sneaker related content on your feed every week. Y'all already see it in the title. Today we're unboxing the J-Tips and Hat Club collab. I definitely went a little crazy with this one because I wasn't able to get any of the original J-Tips and Hat Club hats, so I definitely made up for it this time around. And first up, we have the Cubs joint. I have started picking up new teams. If you haven't watched my last Hat Club video, you wouldn't know that, so make sure you stay up on the hat unboxing. But this one is a Cubs joint in that infrared. And I know a lot of people thought that the J-Tips collabs was a little overhyped, but think about it like this. You know, 10, 15 years ago, let's say around 2007, 2008, up to 2010, if someone would have told me that people would be going crazy for pink bottoms and icy bottoms on fitted caps, I would have looked at them like they was crazy. Fitted caps are green, gray, and sometimes black nasty. That's what I would have said back then. But things evolve, things change, and look where we're at now. We have an infrared fitted cap, that Cubs logo on the front. It's just a white Cubs logo with like this hot pink outline. It looks really good on there. The side patch though, the side patch is where the magic happens. That is a really great and detailed looking patch. There's a lot of colors in there, and I love colors. And it seems like J-Tips really likes them as well because all of the hats are very, very vibrant. So that is an All-Star Game 1990 patch, and I'll make sure y'all can see the details in the B-roll. Blue and white batting man on the back, that icy blue infrared button on the top. Icy bottom. This is going to be my first icy bottom. I don't have any other icies in the collection, so this is a nice pickup. It's a first time for me. White guts. Size 7 1/8 because it is for the personal. Let's go ahead and put that to the side and we can pull out the next hat. So next up we have the Dodgers joint. So this is a team that I usually pick up, the LA Dodgers. Purple hat with the white Dodgers logo, but the patch on this one is where things get crazy. Take a look at that patch. Orange, blue, green, so many colors in there. Pink and white batting man on the back, purple button on top. Of course, we got the pink bottom, white guts. I will leave a link down below in the description to the hat protectors, like the hat liner protectors that I found on Amazon. So if anybody doesn't want to just rock their hat like this, you can put the little protector on there and it'll keep the hat from getting dirty too quickly. The hats did come with special pins, so you have J-Tips himself inside the flower with the Hat Club hat on, the little Hat Club logo on his head right there. Very nice pin. These are dope. I might actually rock this on the hat. I don't usually wear pins on my hat, but I might try it for the one time. So these are the first two hats that I picked up from the J-Tips and Hat Club collab, but we do have another box to get into. Mets joint. So this is the same colorway as that Cubs, but I had to get a home team, so I went with the Mets. My first Mets hat, and it won't be the last. I definitely missed out. I slept on that Mets from the crossover pack, the ones that was in the Rangers colorway. I missed out on that. That was a mistake, but I definitely won't be making that mistake again because I do like some of the stuff that they do with the Mets logo. So white Mets logo on the front, infrared hat, patch on this one. Subway series, that's another first for me. I'm telling y'all, I'm having a lot of fun with hats right now. I'm just checking them off the list of things that I want and things that I'm looking for. Having a lot of fun with it right now. Blue and white batting man, icy bottom, white guts. The Subway Series patch is nice. I like that you have representation for both teams on here. New York Yankees and the New York Mets. Down below in the comment section, let me know what your favorite patch is. Number one, like your number one patch. It can be on a specific hat in a specific colorway, or it can just be a patch that when you see it on a hat, it makes it a must cop. Now these two next ones were the must-haves out of the collection for me, and I think they were for a lot of other people as well. So first up, let's start with this one. The blue and green two-tone. If you like colors, I don't see how you didn't grab these or didn't want to pick these up. These are fire. Yankees, so it's the home team. Love that. Love to see it. It's so clean, y'all. So clean. World Series 2001 patch on the side. Pink, white, and blue batting man on the back. White guts. Pink bottom. It's the perfect time for these. They came at just the right time, just the right season. It's getting warmer outside in New York. I can't wait to put some fits together with this one. Last but definitely not least, another two-tone joint. The orange and the green. I had to get this one. It reminds me of Gatorade. Like, just look at it. Gatorade vibes. White Yankees logo on the front. 1999 World Series patch. And I like the colors in there. You got some yellows, some blues, a little bit of green in there also. Really nice patch on there. Orange, green, and white batting man. Green New Era logo on the side. White guts. That makes all of the hats today white guts, I believe. That's 3 more hats, so I got 3 more pins. If I had to choose a favorite, it would definitely have to be the Gatorade looking two-tone joint, because that 1999 patch just looks fire. It was between the two-tones because I just love colors, but I do prefer the 1999 patch on the side of this one versus the 2001 World Series patch on the blue one. I think all the hats in the collection were fire. If you like colors, this was definitely the collection for you, and I feel like that's going to be a trend moving forward with fitted caps. You know, more bright colors, the different color UVs is definitely going to continue to be a thing and get even bigger. And I think that because, you know, your traditional, your gray bottom, your green bottom, your black nasties, as well as your traditional navy blue hats, your red hats occasionally, and your black hats, those are just kind of tried and true. So to add something fresh to the mix, some bright colors that you don't really see often, it just kind of brings a new look, a new perspective to what fitted caps traditionally are. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show us small YouTubers some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.